Former Miss Jamaica Universe Yendi Phillipps has tied the knot. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Former Miss Jamaica Universe Yendi Phillipps has tied the knot. According to reports, the beauty queen turned media personality and businessman Omar McFarlane wedded at a low-key ceremony early August in South Florida, surrounded by close friends and family members. The couple are now enjoying their honeymoon in St. Lucia. News of the wedding saw thousands of social media users extended congratulations to the couple. Phillipps has one child, a 10-year-old daughter, with artist and record producer Chino McGregor. Yendi Phillipps was crowned Miss Jamaica Universe in 2010 and represented Jamaica at the Miss Universe 2010 pageant in Las Vegas. She scored the highest in the swimsuit section and came in second in the evening gown, entering the final question round in second place with a score of 8.884. She became the first runner-up behind Mexico. She is one of the only 9 former Miss Universe semifinalists to place in the Miss Universe semifinals. In 2010, the beauty queen started her show, Odyssey with Yendi. The show is designed to inspire your life's journey and reflect on all the things that led to one's success. So far, the show has featured many stars, which include Usain Bolt, Shelley and Fraser Price, dancehall artists Beanie Man and Shensia, as well as attorney at law and media personality Miss Kitty, just to name a few. Not much is known about the businessman Mr. McFarlane or his line of business, but the news of the wedding saw many social media users extending congratulations to the beloved beauty queen, while others expressed shock that Yendi was actually dating someone. While it might be news for many, Yendi had shared some of her happy moments with her now identified spouse. She has never shared his face or name, but she has made it obviously clear before that she was seeing someone, especially on her many luxurious vacations. On Friday, a very private Yendi did not acknowledge the wedding announcement on her Instagram account, and she even shared videos and photos of her vacation to St. Lucia, which is said to be the couple's honeymoon. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity to congratulate her and wish her all the best in her relationship. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.